Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. Boy, do I have some tea to spill with you. My name is Donna and I'm with Handmade by Ying. You're going to see this video all over all social media because this is a cool box. This is called the SewWhat box. I had never heard of it, and when I did, boy, was I getting excited. So I hope that everything that you see inside is going to bring you as much joy as it's going to me. So let me open it up and we're going to have a look-see at all of the beautiful contents inside. So I'm breaking the seal and let me see. New subscribers can receive double their first box shipment for free, 2 projects, 2 different fabric bundles, and 2 free patterns if they sign up for multiple months. Now, how cool is that? New subscribers must sign up for this box before September 25th, and you'll receive this box. So if you like what you see, run over and subscribe for it. All fabrics are hand cut and assembled here in the US, and all of the printed items, including the box, the fabrics, the pattern, and inserts, are also printed here in the US as well. New subscribers will be sent their first box 1 to 3 business days, and then the new boxes will follow and ship between the 1st and the 4th of each month. This box, I'll tell you its value once we get digging. This is the way the box is all set up for us. And let me see. Once upon a sewing machine. Flip for details. We are going to get to see all of the goodness that awaits us. So let me pop this open. And prep time is 2 minutes for this project. Creation time is 35 minutes. They've given you the pattern. And this is the book sleeve kit. It's going to finish about 7 by 9. And let's see what all they give us. They give us the pins, as you can see there. They are giving us some polyester, 110 yards average of thread to use for this project. Let me slide this little goodness out of the way and open it up. You're going to get your zipper that you're going to use and your fabrics. Your front, your back, and your inside. And it's already pre-cut. They're taking all of the work out of it for you. The pattern inside will tell you how to put this together. Let me see. I want to make sure I cover everything. This is good for back-to-school projects for the kids. This has a value of $24.99. The Gutermann thread is an added bonus for $2.49. So let me see what else we have in this box. We have an extra fabric bundle of 100% cotton. Add this to your stash, used to create other projects. They are pre-printed and ready to go. This is a $5.98 value. So look at these 2 cute fabric. I like it because it's got my hearts, and everybody knows my logo has a lot of heart in it. So I'll definitely be using this. It's not going in my stash at all. Once you become a member, members only project vault, the patterns are all included as well. Now how cool is that? That's a value of $9.99. You're going to have access to that with your box, and it's going to walk you through what you need to do. You also have your pattern here, and I can't show that. It's on the back side on how to do your sleeve. Let me see the fabric bundle. It's giving you ideas as well, so I'll slide that there. And then if you need to use, you've also got this book sleeve. Hold on, I want to open this up, but I don't want to give the directions. This is going to give you the walkthrough of the book sleeve, how to cut it, as well as it does include the sewing tutorial as well. There is also a Facebook community that you can join. Use the printed pattern to create even more of these. So the sky is the limit. Join the other SewWhat Box Club members in the online community. It's going to be a blast. So I hope that you found everything in this SewWhat box. I'm going to be working on these projects today. And I'll make sure that I do drop these in so you'll be able to see them down the road. I really like this SewWhat box, and if you're interested in the September box or joining their membership, you can do so by paying $33.99, and that's going to get you your box. You can't go wrong with that, and it's over a $50 value. So if you're interested, please head over and let them know Donna sent you and that you saw this video today. Now, the 25th is when you won't be able to get the September box anymore. So if you're interested in that, you must run, no walk, run over and get that. You won't be disappointed. I'll see you guys back in some more videos for SewWhat. I'm really enjoying this. So you guys have a fabulous day. Take care. God bless. And I'll see you back again real soon.